Welcome back, future medicos. In this video, we will be looking at the stray vacancy round details for SRM Deemed University, Chennai. So you can see here, this is the website of SRM. If you are interested, you can click the registration. So you need to do a prior registration. Only those candidates who register with SRM, they are eligible for the stray vacancy round in SRM Chennai. Now the registration is already open. It's open from 6 January 11 a.m. and the registration closes on 7 January 5 p.m. Okay, remember the registration closes on 7 January 5 p.m. So you need to register before 7 January 5 p.m. so that your name can be included in the list for candidates who can participate in the stray round for SRM. So let me click the registration form and see what details you need to provide. So this is the online application form which you need to submit before going to SRM Chennai. So you need to fill the name of the candidate, you need to fill the date of birth, you need to fill the roll number, you need to fill the All India rank, you need to fill the course preference. Either you are interested in MBBS or you are interested in BDS, you need to select. Then you need to enter your mobile number, you need to enter your email ID, and then you can submit the application form. So it's a very simple application form. It will take a few minutes for you to fill. So make sure you fill it. And then what SRM will do, SRM will publish a rank list on 8 January 9 a.m. The counseling starts at 11 a.m. The rank list will be published on 8 January 9 a.m. and then the counseling starts at 11 a.m. So before 11 a.m. you have to be present if you are interested. So I don't think even people in Chennai, they may not have sufficient time after seeing the rank list and go there. So basically you submit the registration form and then 8th morning you have to be there at SRM Chennai. What is the venue of counseling? The venue of counseling is SRM Medical College Auditorium, Kattankulattur, which is in Chennai, right? It's the outskirts of Chennai is Kattankulattur. Who are eligible? Only candidates who are in the list published by MCC. So your name should be in the list published by MCC, which will be published on 7 January. Candidates must report to the counseling at least half an hour before the scheduled time. You will lose your turn if you are not able to report to the counseling before 11 a.m. on 8 January. So you cannot wait for the rank list to be published and then you come to the counseling. You need to come before that. You need to submit all the original documents. Counseling will stop as and when the number of seats available is filled. Okay, that is understandable. Any vacant seats arising out of subsequent cancellations will be filled from the wait list. So SRM will publish a wait list. So in case somebody resigns after joining, then candidates from the wait list will be called for joining. But I don't think that's going to happen because there is no more place to go. There will not be any refund of fees if the candidate withdraws after the admission. So certainly nobody wants to go, right? So these are the documents you need to produce. So I will provide a link to this entire website in the description below. So you can go through one by one and then make sure you have the documents. These are the documents for NRI candidates. The fee structure, you can see here for MBBS, the fee structure is 22.5 lakhs per year. And the first year, you need to pay an additional 10,000 rupees for university registration. The hostel, the room rent is 1.45 lakhs in case if you are looking for an AC room. The mess will be 75,000. So totally you'll be paying 2,20,000. And room without AC, you will be paying 1,60,000. These are the bank details. You can also look at the dental college. Let me tell you the vacancies also. In fact, the BDS, there are 71 vacancies and BDS NRI category, there are 4 seats. BDS general category, 71 seats. BDS NRI, there are 4 seats. MBBS general category, 7 seats and NRI category, there is 1 seat vacant. So totally there are 8 MBBS seats vacant and 75 BDS seats are vacant. These are the documents required for BDS. The annual fees is 5 lakh rupees for BDS. And then the first year you will be paying 10,000 university registration and the instruments there will be a 75,000 rupees. Hostel 1,75,000 for boys with the AC. For boys, non-AC room is 1,40,000, which includes hostel and the mess. For girls, with AC is 1,85,000. Without AC is 1,50,000. The bank details are given. That's it. So these are the information available. So if you are interested in SRM Chennai, immediately go and do the registration and then go to SRM Chennai on the morning of 8th January. Okay, my best wishes to you. I see you soon in some other video. Bye-bye.